Hello viewers, welcome to Speed Math Techniques with Suku and Chiku. In the previous episode, we discussed how to write the times table of the number 19. Now in this episode, we are going to expand that and provide a general method that you can use to write the times table of any number ending in 9. We are going to provide 2 examples in this episode, and at the end of this episode you will be able to take any number that is ending in 9 and you will be able to write the times table of that number with this special technique. Chiku will be explaining this episode to us today. As an example, let's see how to write the times table of the number 39. So if you look at the number 39, it's a number ending in 9. The 10th digit of the number is 3. So keep that in mind. That will be useful for you as you go through this technique. The first step is very simple. All you have to do is to write from 39 times 1 to 39 times 10. This is more like a preparation step for you. So you keep your tables ready, can then populate that with the values. So we have written from 39 times 1 to 39 times 10. And that completes this step. In the next step, we are going to start with the 10th digit of 39, which is 3, and we will be adding 4 at every step to the rest of the numbers. So as an example, start with 3. 3 plus 4 gives 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 19, 23, 27, 31, 35 and 39. Remember the order in which you need to do this. It's always from top to bottom. And you are starting with the number 3 because 3 is the 10th digit in the number 39, and you are incrementing it by 4 because 3 plus 1 is 4. So that completes our step 2. Go through this step again if you are not clear, but this is the very important step in the whole example. To continue, we will go into the third step. The third step is a very straightforward one. You start from 9 at the top and keep writing 1 less than that number. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Again you have to write from top to bottom. So that's the end of step 3. Finally, in step 4, all we are doing is we are joining the numbers together to get to the final answer. 39 times 1 as an example, you join 3 and 9 to get 39. For 39 times 2, 7 and 8 join to give 78. 39 times 3 is 117. 39 times 4 is 156. For 39 times 5, it is 195. 39 times 6 is 234. 39 times 7 is 273. 39 times 8 is 312. 39 times 9 is 351. Finally, 39 times 10 gives you 390. So that completes the entire times table of 39. Now this method is much more faster than the general method we saw to write the times table of any 2-digit number. So if your number ends in 9, you can always use this special method. If you want to see how to write the times table of any 2-digit number, you can always refer back to that video which we have provided on the description link. We will see one more example in this episode and firm this method in our mind concretely. So let's take the times table of 69 this time. The first step is exactly same as what we did in the case of 39. So start from 69 times 1 and go all the way to 69 times 10. 69 times 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And that completes step 1. Now in step 2, we start with the number 6 because 6 is the 10th digit in 69 and we keep incrementing it by 7 at every step because 7 is 6 plus 1. So start with 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 20 plus 7, 27, 34, 41, 48, 55, 62 and 69. Again, the order is very important, so you need to come from top to bottom. The other key thing here is you always increment by 7 because the 10th digit in 69 is 6. When you add 1 to 6, you get 7. So you have to keep adding by 7 at every leg. So that completes step 2. In step 3, we write from 9 to 0 starting from the top. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. And that completes step 3. You can do step 4 by yourself now. Just join the 2 digits that we have got and you get your tables ready. So 69 times 1, 69 times 2, 138, 207, 276, 345, 414, 483, 552, 621 and 690. So that completes the 4th step and we have the times table of 69 ready for you on the screen. You can use this approach for any number ending in 9. So you can do this for 129 for example. Just to keep in mind that if you are doing it for higher numbers, you take the number 12 in this case as your 10th digit and add 1 to it, which is 13. So you keep incrementing by 13 at every step. Give a try and then see how you can go with these tables. And if you are able to help Suku, he is trying to catch up with Chiku on this technique. So there are 4 numbers written on the board. For him, 79, 49, 89 and 149. And he is trying to write the times table of these numbers using the method that we just saw. If you are able to do this, you can post your answers in the comment section. Pay careful attention to the number 149. So when it comes to 149, ignore the 9, take 14 as your 10th digit, add 1 to it, which is 15. So start with 14 and keep adding 15 at every step. Thank you for watching this video. We will see in one other interesting video next time. Thank you.